I need the racks like a bimbo. Serving niggas out the window. Have a 9-3 kids with a hustle tremendo. Had to get it off the
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, man. It's your boy King's Life checking in with a new video, man. So we got a new mod coming in today, guys. I can't wait for it to come in. It's supposed to be coming in like around maybe a little bit later today. So it's gonna be a new mod for my truck, actually, guys. So I cannot wait to show you what I got, so you guys, you know, see what I'm doing, man. See what kind of moves I'm making, man, for my truck. But yeah, this mod here, guys, is gonna be like a mind-blowing mod, man. It's gonna be like I mean, let me tell you this much, man. It's gonna be something dealing with my cluster. So I want y'all to stay tuned, man. Keep watching, man. I can't wait for this mod to show up later today. I will be showing you guys how this mod worked and everything once I install it. So y'all just stay tuned, man. But with that being said, I'm about to go get some medicine for my dog, and then hopefully, man, by the time I get back home, it'll be here, man. So y'all just stick around, subscribe, like, share, comment, do all that great stuff, guys. And yeah, I'll see y'all in a minute. All right, guys, we need gas already. As you guys can see, we never have gas in these cars, man. Let's go get some gas. All right, guys, welcome back to the channel, man. It's a whole new day, guys. So we got a new mod to the truck, man. So what I'm about to do, I'm about to show y'all what I got for the truck and what this mod can do to your truck if your instrument cluster has died, or if your speedometer don't work, or anything like that. So today I'm about to show y'all what you can use to make your speedometer work, or to just see how fast you're going, man, because you got to know how fast you're going, you know what I'm saying, or you're gonna get a speeding ticket. So I'm about to show you guys right now what old Lucy got as far as a new mod. So let's get with the video, man. I appreciate all the love and support that y'all give me, man. I appreciate all the new subscribers that's tagging along, man, and coming my way, man. I really appreciate you guys. More videos coming on the truck, man. I see that you guys like the truck content more, but I'm still gonna be posting car content, guys. So y'all just stick around. But yeah, let's get to this video, man, and show y'all what I got. All right, guys. So what I went and got, guys, I went and got a 10.1 inch tablet, man. And you know, as you guys do know, I am doing a dashboard swap. So the original cluster is not gonna work with the setup that I already have in the truck right now, guys. So I had to go and get this. I'm about to turn it on right now. So I went to Best Buy and picked this up, guys. It was only about $150. Let me turn this on real quick. So I got this for $150. Actually, it was a great price, man. I really liked the price for this, brand new. And so I'm gonna be mounting this in the truck, so that way we can have a system, so we can see how fast we're going, man. And I'm gonna show y'all, man. This app is called a RealDash app. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna take y'all through it. I'm gonna wait and see if this gonna load. All right, guys. So I already downloaded the app and everything. Let's see where it's at in here. So here you go, right here, guys. It's called let me get up on it. It's called RealDash. That's the app that you will need. And also, in order for that app to work, you will need this right here, guys. You will need the OBD2 port, guys. This is what you need. This is a Bluetooth. So what you do is you plug this right into your OBD2, and it's gonna transfer everything over to this app right here, and it's gonna tell you how fast you're going. You get like different monitors, different apps that you can run to see all your temp gauges and your oil pressure gauge and all that. It's pretty dope, man. I'm about to show you guys right now how this thing is gonna be looking, man. So let me go in the app, and that's what it's gonna look like when you go in the app, guys. The app is really easy to download. So, and it's called RealDash. That's what it's called. So, okay. Hit that. And it's going to and it's going to take you to a file, to where you can download files in here. So I haven't chose a I don't know what's all this stuff popping up, guys, but I haven't really chose a different gauge that I want yet. This one is nice. I like this one, guys. This one is really nice. But you can also change them, and to do that, you want to punch here and you want to go to gallery. So once you go to gallery, it's like plenty of them that's going to pull up. You can pay for some of them. It has some that's free. Look, they even have the C8 one. I kind of do like the C8. That's pretty dope. That one is $7.49. You have some more gauges that you can choose from. You know what I'm saying? It's pretty dope. I love this app, guys, because it gives you a more choice of apps or gauges that you can go with for your vehicle. I think I will be choosing this one. This one is I like this one a lot. So I'm gonna play a video. It'll show you how it's gonna look in your car. All right, guys, we back, man. So like I said, we got a lot of choices that you can choose from. I believe this one is a Lamborghini gauge, and I'm gonna go to the free gauges as well. So these are the free gauges that you can choose from, guys. I'm gonna hit most popular. Okay, so these are the most popular ones that you can go with right here, guys, and I'm gonna scroll up so you guys can see it. But yeah, it's different gauges on here, really nice. And also, the thing that I really like about this app, guys, you can change the color of the background of the ring, gauge rings. You can do all of that. It'll let you do all of that, guys. It's nice, man. I love it. I actually like this dash too as well. I might just download that one. Let's see if we can download that one. Download complete for Swedish. Okay. All right. So I don't want to use it just yet. We'll go in the file and check that out. Okay, so here's some more dashes that you can choose from. These are a little bit more basic. So let's go to A to Z. Okay, so that'll give you a different. This one is pretty nice too. I actually like that one too. And also you can change the color. Like, it don't even have to be blue. You can change the color to red, which I would have to do because I like red, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, you can choose whatever you want, man. It's got a lot of choices on here. These are examples right here. That's pretty dope right there. You know what I'm saying? You just got a lot of options on here, guys. Like, whenever you get on here and you want to choose what you want, it's a lot of options on here that you can. They got the free version. They got the premium. You know what I'm saying? Recent. You know what I'm saying? They got a lot of stuff on here that you can choose from. And guys, again, I'm not gonna, hold a long video of this, but the app is called RealDash, man. That's what you want. I don't know what that is. Carolyn, Texas. We'll just go back. Come on now. Let me hit close then. All right, so we back. We're back at the RealDash, man. So yeah, guys, if you're having issues with your speedometer or anything like that, download the RealDash, man. Like I said, download the RealDash, and you can customize everything that you want, like the color, like that part. You can have it come out, come back out. You got the voltage, you got the, you know what I'm saying, you got the coolant, you got the oil pressure gauge, the fuel gauge, all of that good stuff. That's the fuel gauge right there, as you guys can see. It will not show on here. I believe you have to have it connected, but you also have like your music. You can play your music on that side. You can hit it and it'll be a map. So that's pretty dope. Bring it in so you guys can see right there. But yeah, man, it's pretty dope. You got the, you know what I'm saying, the temperature there, throttle response there. You got the mileage right there. You got the neutral, and then you have the speedometer right there on top. So this is a really cool app, guys. Like, if you having issues with your speedometer or any gauges that you have in your vehicle, man, all you want to do is download. You want to download the RealDash app on your phone. You can do it on your phone, and then you want to go and get this. I went and got this from eBay for about 10 bucks, guys. It's a great deal. It's called a OBD2. That's what it's called, OBD2 port. And all you do is just plug it in, and then it's a Bluetooth. So you got to connect it to your tablet or your phone, wherever you want to connect it to, guys, and then it'll work, and you can be able to read everything from here, and it'll go straight to your app. You know what I'm saying? So it's a great deal. Yeah, guys, this truck it's coming along pretty good, guys. I know I'm gonna have to get some gauges. I do want to get some aftermarket red LED gauges for the truck, guys, and I will be installing them on the A pillar, so they will be dope. I checked online last night and I seen some that I like, so we're gonna go ahead and get them, guys. We're gonna order them. So the next video is gonna be the dashboard reveal, guys. So I want y'all to stay tuned into that video, because it's a lot that went into that dashboard, man. There was a lot of custom stuff that I had to do to make that dashboard work. So a lot went into it, and I did it on my own. Like, I didn't get any help. The only help that I did get is getting my upholstery shop to get that wrap, and actually that came out absolutely perfect, man. If you guys checked out my old video, my previous video on that, it came out, man, it came out great, guys. Now, I did scratch up a couple of things when I was installing it, so it has a little scratches here and there, but I'm not gonna be mad about that. It's just it's that comes with custom, you know what I'm saying? That comes with doing things yourself. You know what I'm saying? If you do things on your own, you will tend to like break things and stuff like that. It's just, hey, it's all natural, guys. I mean, it make you feel good that you did build it in the first place instead of somebody else doing it. So but yeah, guys, so like I said, man, then again, you want to go get this. I got it from eBay, 10 bucks. You know what I'm saying? Let me bring it closer so you guys can get the actual name of it on here, man. I need a new camera, guys, but yeah, man, so that's what you want to get. And then you want to download that RealDash app. You can go to your Play Store and download it. You know, it'll come straight on up, man. And that's how I'm gonna get my gauges and everything. That's how I can tell how fast I'm going. Far as it being accurate, I'm not sure yet. I will be doing a video on hooking everything up to see how you know, how fast it goes, things like that, if there's a lag or of that type of sort. But yeah, guys, I will be plugging that in. I will be doing a video on that as well, so y'all just stay tuned, man. But with that being said, man, I gotta go pick up my Camaro, guys. I had to take it back to the dealership last week for another alignment, guys. I'm not sure what's going on with this alignment, but man, hopefully they figured it out. I'm gonna have to get with the tech to see what's going on down there, man. I know the last time when I got the alignment done, they said there was nothing wrong down there. It just needed alignment. So now, 3 months later, we got another issue, and it's another alignment. So like I said, I don't hit potholes. I dodge potholes. So I'm not sure what went on right there. But yeah, I'm finna go see if I can get that. And then yeah, man, y'all just stay tuned for the next video, man. I'm finna be dropping these videos back to back. The truck is finna be crazy, man. I will be repainting it myself. So yeah, it's gonna be nice, man. I'm telling y'all, it's gonna be nice. Turbo kit still coming. I know I keep saying that, but it's still coming, guys. I gotta find another engine for this truck. So y'all just stay tuned for all the videos that's coming, man. But with that being said, I appreciate all the love and support that y'all give me, man. I'm a one-man team here. So, you know, I know a lot of people like to see a big crowd on the channel and everything, but I'm just a one-man team here, guys. I like to do things on my own sometimes. You know, maybe I can, you know, start doing videos with other people. I don't know, collabing with more people, but we'll see about that, guys. But yeah, man, this is King's Life checking out with another video, man. Like I said before, I appreciate all the love and support. Please subscribe, share, comment, hit that like button for me, man. That's what blows the channel up. So y'all do that, man. I appreciate y'all. Love you guys. Stay safe, stay motivated, stay humble, and I'll see y'all in the next video, man. Peace.